I always like the Android setups by Zachary and her son, and I always wanted them in my phone. iPhone X being my most favorite smartphone right now. Also, it is jailbroken, so I tried replicating his setup with my twist and limitations of jailbreak tweaks. Let's take you to a ride and show you guys my minimal jailbroken setup of February 2019. So let's keep things off with the lock screen. So my lock screen is not heavily customized. I'm just using Xen Html right now on the lock screen with the theme name as CX.LS 1. So the name will be in the description as well with the repo where I installed it from. Nothing is changed, it's simple, and all the look and the feel is with other tweaks that will be shown later in the video. So let's move on to the home screen, and I've changed a lot here just because I want this minimal kind of look. So first of all, you need to install a tweak name as Boxy, which will allow you to change the grid of home screen icons like this to whatever you like. Also, it will allow you to move your icons a little bit down just so you can have the space for the widgets up there. And the widget that I'm using right now on the home screen is SBEW3_NoWeather, and it will be also in the description with the repo I installed it from. So the theme I'm using right now is Sential, and this is help with Anemone. So this will make your home screen look like this and give it a really minimal look. So the wallpaper that I'm using right now is Zachary Anderson's wallpaper, and it is the biggest thing that will make your phone look more like his Android setup video. So this will also be linked down in the description below. And the last tweak that I love so much, and you guys are looking at my home screen and you are wondering that how I got this awesome rain animation going background on my home screen, and that's because of Asteroid. And it is a really new tweak, and it is not fully compatible with iOS 11.4.1 right now, but it will be, and I guarantee that. And if you are the one who have made this tweak, please update it for iOS 11.4.1 and iOS 12.1.2. just because I love this tweak so much, and I definitely give you a shout out for making this compatible with the latest iOS versions. And one very little tweak that I really wanted to show you guys is Buzzy or Buzzy, whatever you like to pronounce this tweak. This tweak will allow you to give that awesome look on your notch and showing you guys how much battery juice is left on your iOS device. I love this tweak so much. It is so clean, and even if you just remove all of status bar items, it will make your phone look even better. So thanks for watching, guys. If you really watched my video till now, I really hope you like it, and I really wish that you subscribe to my channel for more setups like this. This is my setup for February 2019, and subscribe. Also hit that bell icon for March 2019 setup if you are really into that. Also, don't forget to hit me on Twitter. Links will be down in the description below for everything. Once again, my name is Harris, this is Apple Now, and I am signing out.